Students, this is 226th maths class. Let us continue solving problems by using parts. So here look at that question on the board, students. You look at that question on the board. Same type of question has been solved in that previous video. So right, by parts. So you use putta method, students. Use putta method to solve that. Put cos inverse x equals t. Solution. So put cos inverse x is equal to t. Put cos inverse x equals t. Differentiate that. Differentiation of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. Differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by root 1 minus x square. In the same way, differentiate this. So write minus 1 by root 1 minus x square into dx is equal to dt. This minus is not required on left side. You send it to right side. So dx by root 1 minus x square is equal to minus dt. Putta method means changing all externals into t. You change all externals into t. So this implies x is equal to cos t. X is equal to cos t. Substitute in that. Using these quantities, you change all externals into t. So right, now you will get so x. For that x, you can substitute cos t. Cos t. So cos t into, so right, cos inverse x is t. Cos inverse x is t. Dx by root 1 minus x square minus dt. So minus dt. Apply parts. Keep that minus outside. It is just like x cos x dx. So tell me the difference between, so these two integrals, students, both the integrals are same only, no difference. Here x cos x with respect to x, t cos t with respect to t. Tell me the change in both. The only change is change in symbol. Symbol doesn't matter. Concept matters. Whether it is t or x, whatever, method is same. Here we will do with respect to x. There you go for doing with respect to t. There you do with respect to t. Here it is with respect to x. Keep that minus outside and apply parts. To apply parts, usually we take x and terms containing x as first function. Usually we take x square algebraic functions as first function. So in only in two cases, that is, if product contains log function, we should take log function as first. If product contains inverse function, we should take inverse function as first. Except those two cases, in all other cases, you take polynomials or algebraic functions as first. Let us go for that. Right. Keep that minus outside. Keep that minus outside. So minus integration of t cos t dt. T cos t dt. Apply parts. To complete that integration, apply parts. Which is first function, students? X. In this case, in the place of x we have t. So write t. First into integration of second. Minus first into integration of second. T into integration of cos t. Integration of cos t is sin t. Minus carry that sin t inside. Sin t into differentiation of t. Differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. Differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. So 1 into dt. Yes. Multiply by minus. So you multiply by minus. Minus into plus. Minus. So minus t sin t, minus t sin t, minus into minus plus. So integration of sin t dt. Integrate sin t. Integration of sin t is minus cos t plus c. So it is minus t sin t minus integration of sin t is minus cos t plus c. Now you change all these t terms into x. You change t terms into x because question is containing variable x. Answer should also be in terms of x. Go for that. So cos inverse x is t. For t you can substitute cos inverse x. So this implies x equals cos t. For cos t you substitute x. For t you substitute cos inverse x. For cos t you substitute x. Still sin t value required. Sin square t is equal to 1 minus cos square t. So 1 minus x square. So this implies sin t is root of 1 minus x square. Substitute in that. Therefore, final answer is minus t. How much is t? Cos inverse x. Cos inverse x into sin t is root 1 minus x square. Root 1 minus x square minus, tell me cos t value, x plus c. I hope you understood, students. So right, next question. Remember the following. Next one is, so remember these points. So right. So remember the following. So remember the following. Next one is remember the following. Look at this, friends. If the given integral exponential into trigonometric into dx. So if integral contains these two functions, exponential into trigonometric functions, for how to integrate, how to solve this type of questions. So here is note, remember this, exponential into trigonometric. So denote it by, so represent integral by high. You need not to use the symbol high only. You can use, to represent this integral, you can use any of your own symbol. Here actually I means integral. Usually we use I only. So it is not a rule, it is not a restriction. You can use any of your own symbol also, right? And apply parts. So twice. So to complete integration for this type of integrals, so represent the given integral by high and apply parts 2 times. Example, exponential into trigonometric. So e power x sin x dx, exponential function, trigonometric function. One more example. So e power 2x cos x. One more example. So e power x sin 3x. Whenever this type of integrals are seen, you always follow. So this method, you always follow these tips. you always use these tips. Let us go for solving problems by using these tips. Next, first question. So find integration of e power x into sin x. You look at that integral carefully, students. You observe that integral. You observe that integral carefully. So clearly, the given integral is containing exponential into trigonometric. The given integral is containing exponential into trigonometric. Name this by I. First you name that by I. Solution. So let I equals e power x into sin x into dx. So name that integral as I. Now, how many times parts required? 2 times. You apply parts 2 times and then see. You apply parts 2 times and then see. Surely, so you realize why we need to apply 2 times parts, right? Apply parts. So tell me parts. First function into integration of second. First into integration of second. Which is first? E power x. First into integration of second. Second is sin x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Minus symbol. So integration symbol. First into integration of second. Minus. Carry this as it is inside. Carry this as it is inside. Minus cos x into minus cos x into differentiation of first. Differentiation of e power x is e power x into dx. E power x into dx. Right? Write the obtained terms neatly once. Right? Minus e power x cos x. Minus into minus plus. Plus. Again e power x into cos x. Interchange. Be careful. Be aware of this. While applying parts first time, I have chosen exponential as first. Even for that second time parts also, you must choose exponential as first. If change happens, so you won't get the answer. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎರಡನೇ ಸರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸೊ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ choose exponential as first function. So remember the point for both the parts. That means while applying first time parts, even when you are applying second time parts, in both the parts you always choose exponential function as first. You always choose exponential function as first. So right students, apply that. So now minus e power x cos x plus, which is first exponential. Just before I told you tips, I have given hint. Exponential first into integration of second. First into integration of second. Integration of cos x is sin x minus carry that sin x inside. Into differentiation of first. Differentiation of e power x is e power x into dx. We applied parts 2 times. This is enough. So what we have on left side students, I I. You carry that I as it is. I. So look at this, students. For this type of integrals, if we apply parts 2 times, we get back our I. ನಮ್ಮ I ನಮಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. This is I. Look at this integral. What is this? I. Look at this. Compare that. I only. I hope you realized why these integrals should be represented by I. I hope you realized, you understood why this type of integrals should be denoted by I. This is the reason. After applying 2 times parts, we will get back our I. Substitute in that. Minus I. Bring that minus I this side. I plus I, 2I. So 2I. So 2I is equal to, tell me common from these 2 terms. So tell me common from these 2 terms. E power x common. Remaining is minus cos x plus sin x. Plus sin x. I required. Bring that 2 down. Cross multiply that to 2. So I is equal to e power x by 2. E power x, you write o divided by 2 or e power x by 2 into minus cos x plus sin x plus c. Substitute for I. We got the answer, that's all. What is I? I is this one only. Therefore, integration of e power x sin x dx is equal to, substitute for I. Answer is e power x by 2 into minus cos x plus sin x plus c. I hope you understood. Let us solve one more question of the same type. Right. Next question is e power 2x into sin x. E power 2x into sin x. Same type question. Exponential into trigonometric. Solve that. So write this students. So denote that by I. Summation. So let I equals e power 2x sin x into dx. Apply parts 2 times. You always choose exponential as first. For both the parts, you choose exponential function as first function. So write first into integration of second. First e power 2x into integration of sin x is minus cos x. Carry that minus cos x inside. Differentiate first. Differentiation of e power 2x is e power 2x. At the same time, don't forget to differentiate power. While differentiating e power x and a power x forms, e power x ಮತ್ತು a power x ಅವನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಪವರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬರೀ e power x ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಪವರ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ x ಇಸ್ 1 ಬರೆದ್ರು ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ಟರು ಆಯ್ತು. x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ minus, carry that as it is inside. Differentiate first one. Differentiation of e power 2x is e power 2x. Again differentiate power. 2x is 2 into dx. 2 constant into function. Keep the 2 as it is. Differentiation of x is 1 into dx. So write Now I into minus e power 2x cos x minus into minus plus. Write the two constant outside. Integration of e power 2x cos x into dx. For that 2, put bracket and apply parts once again. So apply parts once again. Right. So now, I equals minus e power 2x cos x plus 2 into apply parts. First into integration of second. So e power 2x integration of cos x is sin x minus first into integration of second cos x is sin x minus integration of carry that as it is inside sin x into differentiation of first. Differentiation of e power 2x is e power 2x. Again differentiate this power 2x. Differentiation of this power 2x is 2 into 1 into 2. So into 2 into dx into dx. Write that constant to outside. First into integration of cos is sin minus carry that sign as it is inside. Differentiate first one. Differentiation of e power 2x is e power 2x into 2 dx. Multiply by 2 now. Multiply by 2. I is equal to minus e power 2x cos x plus multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. So 2 e power 2x into sin x minus so 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Integration of e power 2x sin x into dx. We got back our high. We got that high. This is high. We got the high back. So bring that. It becomes minus 4i. Minus 4i. Bring that minus 4i this side. Bring that minus 4i this side. Minus 4i plus I. 5i. Minus 4 this is I. So bring that left side. 5i. What is common from these two students? E power 2x. Tell me common from first two terms. E power 2x common. So remaining is minus cos x plus 2 sin x plus 2 sin x plus c. Bring that 5 down. Bring that 5 down. I equals e power 2x by 5. So minus cos x plus 2 sin x plus c. So finally, what is I? Therefore, I means e power 2x sin x into dx is equal to e power 2x by 5 minus cos x plus 2 sin x plus c. I hope you understood, students. I hope you understood this well. Let us solve one more question. So one more simple question is right there. So next question is so integration of x square e power x cube dx. So last one more question. This question it is not related to parts. It is parts question alla separate question. Put x cube equals t, you will get x square. Put a method in the integrate ಮಾಡಿ. This is not a problem on parts. You cannot apply parts. Product ಗೆ ಅಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ parts apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ parts apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ parts cannot be applied for all types of products. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಗೂ parts apply ಮಾಡಕ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Put x cube equals t. Put x cube equals t. So put x cube equals t. This implies differentiate that 3x square into dx so dt. X square dx so dt by 3. Substitute in that. So write is equal to x cube e power. How much is x cube? T. x cube t, x square dx, x square dx means dt by 3. So dt by 3. So right, put 1 by 3 outside. Put that 1 by 3 outside. So right. So 1 by 3 constant outside. Integration of e power t. So dt 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. Integration of e power x is e power x. E power t plus c. Final answer is 1 by 3 e power. What is t? X cube plus c. That's all. So let us stop this class, students. We shall have solving more problems in the next class. Thank you.